Welcome to CERAWeek 2026. My name is Jake Yang, Chief Technology Officer of S&P Global, and I'm here with Jag Gattu, founder and CEO of UptimeAI. So Jag, it's three day into CERAWeek, and how has your experience been so far?
Yeah, thanks, Jake. First of all, thank you for having the opportunity. It was a great conversation. CERAWeek has always been a place where we find a lot of senior leaders and industry leaders coming in, and we've had excellent conversations thinking about, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities, and how can we move the industry forward? And I think, some of the conversations have been fantastic and very insightful.
Great, that sounds great. AI is on top of everyone's mind. It's certainly throughout all the sessions and panel in CERAWeek. What are some of the macro challenges facing the energy and the heavy process industry today?
Right. So, we've been hearing a lot about some of the geopolitical risks that have come to the forefront right now. And as a result, many of the companies are trying to make sure that they are very sound from a financial and operational standpoint. That gives them flexibility in terms of how they can manage their business. And so operational efficiency and margins have been something that companies are really trying to manage. Now, while they're trying to do that, there's also other aspects which are adding more to that challenge, which include something around one, the sustainability and regulation, definitely adding more complexity to the operations. At the same time, I think another key challenge that the industry is facing today is the loss of expertise. A lot of people are leaving the industry. I was just chatting with one of the CEOs of a utility company, and she was telling that about 45% of the experts in her team are going to retire in the next 3 years. We were talking to another company, and they were telling that in the past, the average experience of their team used to be 15 years, and in just 2 years, it actually now is below 5 years. And these are some of the challenges that they're probably trying to address.
Sounds very serious indeed. So what do you see as the stages of AI adoption among these heavy industry, and what are they doing to address these challenges? Specifically, what are companies' behaviors and attitude?
Right. So, to address these challenges, definitely AI has been, is being seen as a key technology innovation. Now, what we're seeing is AI in general, there's widespread agreement that there's a lot of value. However, the industry itself we're hearing that there are a lot of use cases that are being brought in from other industries, like whether it be, Copilot or Gen AI, chatbots, etc. What we see, though, is there is still opportunity in terms of, instead of just pulling in the use cases from other industries, our industry itself has, a lot of use cases which are more specific and higher value. And I think that's where we believe that, the industry is going to evolve, and the AI use cases are going to evolve to become more specific to solve our challenges in the industry.
Makes sense. And how do you see the industry adoption of AI changing over the next 1, 5, or even 10 years?
Yeah.
And what is UptimeAI's role in playing in this?
Yeah, absolutely. I think, we are at a very, very exciting time. I think, the evolution of the technology, especially towards our industry, is gonna be tremendous. We're just at the beginning of vertical specific, operation specific agents and AI solutions. And in the next 5 years, the entire operations, the way we see it today, is going to completely transform. And the opportunities at the intersection of different functions, are going to be exposed and are going to be taken into advantage with the agents coming in. And with UptimeAI, we're essentially leading that journey and being in the forefront of that journey to bring in those reasoning agents specific to our industry and our use cases.
Well, Jack, I want to thank you for your insights, and I hope to see you all next year.